Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. I am here with more current affairs, economics, MCQs for CUET exam, UGC NET, and BPSC, JPSC exams. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. So, question number one. In India's WPI inflation, WPI is wholesale price index inflation in early 2026 reached its highest level in how many months? A 4 months, B 6 months, C 10 months, D 12 months. Answer is C 10 months. Wholesale price index inflation, that is WPI inflation, rose due to higher food and fuel prices, making the highest level in about 10 months. Next question number two. India's unemployment rate rose to approximately what level in early 2026? A 3%, B 4%, C 5%, D 6%. Answer is C 5%. Periodic labor force data indicated that unemployment hovered around 5%, reflecting rural distress and global slowdown impacts. Question number three. A surge in imports like gold and silver resulted in A. Trade surplus, B. Narrow trade deficit, C. Widened trade deficit, D. Balanced trade. Answer is C. Widened trade deficit. When imports increases more than exports, the trade deficit widens. Rising gold imports significantly increased India's import bill. Next question. According to IMF projection for 2026, global economic growth is expected to be around A 2%, B 3.3%, C 4.5%, D 5.1%. Answer is B 3.3%. The IMF projected moderate global growth of around 3.3%, reflecting recovery, but also risks from geopolitical tensions and inflation. Question number four. The slowdown in the US economy in late 2025 was mainly linked to A. Rising employment, B. Government shutdown disruptions, C. Increase in exports, D. Stable inflation. Answer is B. Government shutdown disruptions. Political gridlock and fiscal uncertainty led to economic slowdown and weaker GDP growth in late 2025 in US. Question number 5. India joined which US-led tech coalition in 2026? A. Silicon Pact, B. Pax Silica, C. Global Digital Alliance, D. Tech Quad. Answer is B. Pax Silica. India joined the US-led tech coalition named Pax Silica, aimed at strengthening semiconductor and AI cooperation and reducing dependency on dominant supply chains. Question number 6. A major summit in Delhi highlighted India's focus on which growth-driven technology? A. 5G technology, B. Blockchain, C. Artificial intelligence, D. Quantum internet. Answer is C. Artificial intelligence. India emphasized artificial intelligent AI as a key driver to productivity, digital governance, and long-term economic growth. So that's all for today. Thank you.